So this is where we are right now, and by clicking on the equal to button, you will notice that nothing happens as yet. So let's work on that. The equal click function handles addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division of two operands, that is num1 and num2, depending on the mathematical operator clicked. And head to main.js and declare the equal click function. So function equal click and open and close brackets and open and close curly braces. And within the curly braces, let's type in, if equal to button has been clicked, then set var equal to the boolean true. And use the parseFloat function to parse global variable num1 to convert the string into a floating point number. Similarly, use the parseFloat function to parse global variable num2 to convert the string into a floating point number as well. And set local variable result to an empty string. Var result will hold the result of the calculation. And set local var rounded result to an empty string as well. This will reference the result rounded off to 4 decimal places. Now we want to check the value of our global operator variable, that is, if it's an addition, multiplication, subtraction, or division sign. And then based on the value of the operator variable, we want to perform a calculation on num1 and num2. And remember, in our opclick function up here, we assigned the global operator variable the value of the numeric code associated with the operator button clicked. So that is available to the equal click function. Instead of an if-else block, we will use the switch statement. And the switch statement performs a different set of actions for different conditions. So let's code this bit. Switch, and within brackets, true, open curly braces, and close curly braces. And now type in the case, within brackets, operator is strictly equal to 1, then var result is equal to num1 plus num2, and then break followed by a semicolon. And the second case is case operator strictly equal to 2, then var result is equal to num1 minus num2, followed by break. Moving on, case operator strictly equal to 3, then result is equal to num1 multiplied by num2, and break. Finally, case operator strictly equal to 4, then var result is equal to num1 divided by num2. Each case is compared to the expression within the brackets after switch, and if the case matches, then the code block is executed. Switch true is the expression against which all cases will be compared. Now we need to store the result of the calculation rounded off. So rounded result is equal to result dot toFixed and within brackets the number 4. ToFixed is a method that converts a number into a string, keeping the specified amount of decimal places, and in this case, 4 decimal places. So we call the ToFixed method onResult and assign its reference to var rounded result. Moving on, display.innerHTML is equal to rounded result. And this updates the display div when the equal to button is clicked by displaying the rounded result with the inner HTML property. So let's go ahead and try this out. And 10 plus 10 equal to. Okay, so till now we can perform a single calculation as the clear button doesn't do anything. So you can't clear and reset to perform another calculation. But before we move on to that, consider what happens if you try to calculate something like a 0 divided by 0. And in the display, what you get is NaN, which stands for not a number. So come back to main.js and let's fix that with a if conditional statement. And come to right above where the closing curly brace for the function is. So if rounded result is strictly equal to the string NaN, then display dot inner HTML is equal to not a valid calculation. Okay, let's try this again and divide 0 by 0. And there you go. The inner HTML of the display div has been updated. And with that, let's go ahead and take care of the clear function, which we've called both in setValue and opclick functions.